I purple you.
I purple you.
If you know what that is, then you know exactly what we are talking about today. If you don't, you will soon. This is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus BTS Special Edition. BTS! This edition launches tomorrow in Europe, the 9th of July, and the day after, the 10th in the United States. If you don't have yours on pre-order, you may want to do that now. And even if you are not A.R.M.Y, I'm sure by the end of this video, you will agree with me that this is one of the most beautiful smartphones that we have seen in a long time. As soon as you get the box, you notice the hearts. Now, if you are A.R.M.Y, I don't need to explain this to you. If you aren't A.R.M.Y, BTS is more than a band. It is everything. And I purple you means more than I love you. It is encompassing everything possible. And that's why we have the purple color. The Samsung on the box is obviously in purple, and then we go to the hearts. There are 7 hearts for the 7 members of the BTS band. The side of the box, we obviously have everything in purple. And what I am excited about now is opening it up, because this is actually just a sleeve and we want to see the box inside. So as we push it up, now, honestly, I have said it's everything, but everything isn't a big enough word. The S20 here is in the iridescent purple color. We have the symbol on there. We also have the S20. And as we slowly pull the box open, we can already see the purple hue. If we look in the top of the box, there has to be a more sophisticated way of doing this, Tony. There. Now, as I said, I have not been so excited about a phone in a long time. And it's not just the color, it's the whole marketing altogether, but also the extras that we get. When we open up the box, we obviously have our instruction, but are you ready for this? We also have, which I am loving, we have a case, a clear case. This is the best bit. We have stickers, so we can actually make our phone look the way we want to. I believe in your galaxies, and as you see, we have the purple hearts everywhere, and I purple you. And if that is not enough for you, there's more. We also have another little box. And if we open up the next little box, this is beautiful. Let me just move all that away. We have collector cards. And if you know me, I am known as the card geek on social media. And these may become my favorite cards so far. Each of the 7 band members has its own card with the Samsung logo, the logo, and the heart on the back. And you know what? If you're not a BTS fan, you will be soon. If you are a BTS fan, when you open this, I can imagine people opening this and actually crying with the overwhelming joy of having something such a beautiful fan article, but also in the tech genre. We don't see that very often, and that's quite a rare thing these days, to see something so beautifully packed, such a high-end product, and a fan article. So let's have a look at, I'm not going to show you the back just yet. I'm going to show you what's in the box first. So we have our plug, headphones, and naturally our charging cable. So we already have a sneak peek at our beautiful fan edition and fan articles, but now we really want to get excited and we want to see the phone. Are you ready? In fact, let's move all this away. I am making quite a mess over in this corner. But Jens isn't with me, so I'm okay. I can do as I please. Are you ready? Are you ready for the back? Wow. I honestly don't know if the camera would do this justice. When I look directly at it here, it's pink in the central and then it has blue around the sides. And as you tilt, we have blue at the top and then pink at the bottom. The color is absolutely magnificent. It is a matte finish. Oh, look, no fingerprints. That's interesting because I'm quite warm today. But the finish itself is a matte finish. It's not the shiny finish like on the Z Flip, for example. It's the matte finish, but honestly, it is, I know, it's unicorn colored. It's absolutely unicorn colored. That must be what magic unicorns are made of, that color. And if you look, I'm getting all gooey now. If you look in the top there, can you see that? You have a heart in your camera. This is probably the most beautiful phone I have ever seen. So what we want to do is power it on. And there we have it, Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. There's the logo, there's the heart. I believe in your galaxy. I purple you. So as soon as you open the phone, you see the live wallpaper on there. We have the 7 stars of the Big Dipper there for the BTS members, or to stand for the BTS members. We have the lovely purple theme. Our icons are all in purple, and you may notice that extra app, and that is an app I am so looking forward to. They say it will be available tomorrow, which is the first day of launch. It is the BTS XR app. The most exciting thing about the BTS XR app is that you can have photos taken with your favorite band member. And again, that should be available tomorrow, so watch out for my snaps on Instagram at AllStarSpace, and I'll show you exactly what they look like. If we go into the Messages app, as you can see, you see the stardust at the back of your screen here, and when you text to one another, it's actually purple. So everything's purple, not just your icon. In your calendar app, we have the purple plus and everything, all our dates and everything is in the purple theme. Our calling, we have the lovely stardust across the top and everything's in purple again. And even our calculator is in purple. Samsung S20 Plus BTS Edition. If there's one thing we take away from this phone is the BTS message that love isn't only skin deep, and I purple you. You are everything to us. Make sure you comment below. Would you get this version? Have you pre-ordered it already? And are you A.R.M.Y?